Hey there! In this video, we're going to show you how to make a simple and fun rocket using just a 2-liter bottle of soda and a roll of Mentos candies. This experiment is easy to set up and will provide hours of entertainment for you and your friends. All you need is some duct tape and a flat, open area to launch your rocket. So grab your materials and let's get started. First, gather materials. You will need a 2-liter bottle of soda, a roll of Mentos candies, and some duct tape. Second, prepare the rocket. Remove the label from the soda bottle and use the duct tape to attach the roll of Mentos candies to the top of the bottle. Make sure the candies are securely attached and the roll is level. Then launch the rocket. Find a flat, open area to launch the rocket. Make sure you are a safe distance away from any people or objects. Take the cap off the soda bottle and quickly drop the roll of Mentos candies into the bottle. The reaction between the Mentos and the soda will cause the bottle to launch into the air like a rocket. Clean up. Once you are finished launching your rocket, be sure to clean up any spilled soda and dispose of the materials properly. Here are a few ideas for making building a rocket fun. Invite friends. Invite your friends over to join in on the fun and make it a group activity. You can even have a competition to see whose rocket goes the highest or flies the straightest. Experiment. Try using different types of soda or varying the number of Mentos candies to see how it affects the launch. You can also try attaching fins or a nose cone to the bottle to see if it improves the stability of the rocket. Get creative. Use your imagination and come up with fun and unique ways to decorate your rocket. You can use stickers, markers, or even paint to give your rocket some personality. Make it a science lesson. Use this activity as an opportunity to teach your friends or kids about the science behind the experiment. Explain the chemical reaction that occurs between the soda and Mentos, and how it causes the rocket to launch. Have fun. Above all, remember to have fun and enjoy the process. Building a rocket using soda and Mentos can be a fun and exciting activity for all ages. Remember to always be safe and use caution when experimenting with materials like soda and Mentos. Do not aim the rocket at anyone or anything, and be mindful of your surroundings.